The United Nations reports that the Democratic Republic of Congo is facing one of the largest internal displacement and humanitarian crises in the world, with a record 6.9 million internally displaced people, IDPs, due to escalating violence. The conflict between the M23 rebels and militias loyal to the DR Congo's government has intensified in the eastern province of North Kivu, leading to the displacement of up to 1 million people. The M23 is just one of the various militias in the region, despite international peacekeepers being present. With the security situation deteriorating, movements becoming more frequent, and the crisis persisting, urgent action is needed to provide help and meet the basic needs of the 6.9 million IDPs in the DRC.